Okay يا ولادي, let's complete paper 1 biology exam 2012. Open on question 1. The diagram shows a plant cell. A, B, chloroplast, C. Name parts labeled A, B, and C. A is for cytoplasm. لما تلاقي الارو رايح لسبيس كده يبقى ده السيتوبلازم. اوكي. B, بصوا أولادي على الارو. Look at it. Between outer layer inner layer, في النص ما بين الفيرست والسكند. طب هكتب مين فيهم؟ هكتب outer layer اللي هي ايه في البلانت cell wall. لو وصل للسكند layer هكتبها cell membrane. انما هو في النص ما بين التو layers يبقى هكتب ايه أولادي؟ cell wall. يبقى أنا عندي A is for cytoplasm, B cell wall, C nucleus. Why are chloroplasts important to plant? To trap sunlight, to make photosynthesis process. Name two structures present in plant cell aren't present in animal cell. Cell wall, chloroplast, large vacuole. Write any two of them. خلاص حفظناها بقى. Open on question 5. Some students open on question 5 يا ولادي. Some students are investigating a river ecosystem. They use nets to sweep through the water. They empty the contents into a shallow container of water, examine the animals' presence and record what they see. A. The diagram shows students' record. أولادي بصوا على الشيب بتاع كل واحدة فيهم. A, B, C, D. All four animals can be classified into the same group. Name the group and give reason for your answer. أولادي هم يعني شكلهم insects. طب الانسكتس دي من أي جروب؟ arthropods. So we have to write the name of the group insects. طب ليه قلنا كده؟ بيميزها حاجة كلهم jointed legs. okay كلهم jointed legs. يبقى write الانسر arthropods 3 pairs of jointed legs. arthropods 3 pairs of jointed legs. اوكي يا ولادي. طيب تعالوا نشوف هنا ايه بقى. The student use this key to identify the animals A and B. Fill in the correct names. The animal has one or more breathing tube extending from the end. خدوا بالكم هو عايز animals A و B. هرجع هنا عند drawing وهبص على A و B شكلهم عامل ازاي اهم. اوكي يا ولادي have a look at them. Then turn again. قال لي ايه؟ The animal has one or more breathing tube extending from the end of its abdomen. عنده extending tube؟ هركز فيهم واحد اهو عنده extending tube اللي هو A. اوكي؟ فساعتها هقول ايه؟ yes عنده extending tube. ارجع تاني. قال لي go to 2. يبقى لو عنده extending tube go to 2. هروح ل 2. number 2 اهي. The animal has a long thin stick like body. long thin stick like body. تعالوا نبص نشوفه. هو الانيمال اللي انا قصداه ده عنده long thin؟ لا، لو بصيتوا على دي هو اللي عنده long thin، انما A ده مش long thin. يبقى لما قال لي the animal has long thin stick like body ماليش دعوة بيها خالص. The animal has an oval shaped body. بصوا على A كده هتلاقوها الشكل بتاعها oval. يبقى دي right. يبقى correct answer Nepa cinerea. Nepa cinerea. اوكي يا ولادي؟ طيب تعالوا نرجع تاني للكي بتاعي واقراه من جديد عشان اعرف النيم بتاع B. Number 1 قال لي the animal has one or more breathing tube extending from the end of the abdomen. No, ما عندهوش tube. B اهي ما عندهاش tube extending. طيب the animal تحتها the animal doesn't have a long breathing tube extending from its abdomen. yes ما عندهاش التيوب دي، فهيقول لي go to 3. فهنروح عند 3. The front legs are muscular and claw-like. بصوا على الفرونت leg عاملة ازاي؟ عاملة زي الكلوز كده أولادي. صح، muscular and claw-like. That's right. يبقى هي دي النيم بتاع البي. Iliocorosimiquidus. يبقى أنا كده عرفت النيم of A and the name of B. Open on question 6. Read the article about Ferdinand Magellan, who led the first voyage around the world. Use the information in this article and your biological knowledge to answer the questions. Magellan's voyage proved that the world is round. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan sailed from Spain to find to Spice Island. He took about 237 men in 5 ships. Each ship carried a supply of basic foods including cheese, flour, oil, meat, and vegetables. There were also some live animals, including chickens. The ship eventually reached the Spice Island, but only one continued the journey back to Spain. هي واحدة بس اللي قدرت ترجع سبين. This was the Victoria. The sailors on the Victoria became very ill because they arrived home. Before they arrived home, they had bleeding gums and sores. دي الحاجة اللي كانت عندهم، كانوا بيشتكوا كلهم من إيه؟ bleeding gums and sores which wouldn't heal. One sailor called El Carnot عمل إيه السيلر ده؟ used to eat a spoonful of fruit jam every day. He didn't develop any of these symptoms. يعني لا جاله bleeding gums ولا جاله sores wouldn't heal. كان بيعمل إيه ده؟ used to eat spoonful of fruit jam every day. اوكي يا ولادي؟ تعالوا بقى نشوف الكويستشنز بتاعتنا. Magellan's ship set sail with basic food that provided a balanced diet. What's the meaning of balanced diet? What's meant by balanced diet? It means having all nutrients. خدوا بالكوا دي كده عليها one mark. Having all nutrients in correct amount another mark. يبقى عليها 2 marks أولادي. Having all nutrients in correct amount. Suggest why Magellan took some live animals with him to the voyage. ليه أولادي أخذ animals as a source of protein؟ ما هي الانيمالز دي source of protein, fresh meat, some of them eggs, source of meat, source of protein, source of eggs. Okay, see, most of the sailors on the Victoria developed deficiency disease called scurvy. What's meaning of deficiency disease? دي يا ولادي يعني ايه deficiency disease? What's the meaning of this word deficiency disease? It means lack of any nutrient in the body as vitamins. يعني احنا البادي need all nutrients in correct amount to keep the body healthy زي ما قلنا في الديفينيشن بتاع balanced diet. طب يعني ايه deficiency disease؟ يعني في واحد من النيوترينت مش موجود بكمية كفاية في البادي بتاعي، فيقولوا ده عنده deficiency disease، يعني عنده lack of any nutrient in the body. Okay, as vitamins, as carbohydrates, as proteins أي nutrient مش موجود ب enough amount في البادي بتاعي فيقولوا إن أنا عندي deficiency disease. So what's meant by deficiency disease? Lack of any nutrient in our body as vitamins. Double I. Describe one symptoms of scurvy. احنا عندنا two symptoms هو اللي قايلهم لي اهم تحت أولادي. They had bleeding gums and sores with which wouldn't heal. يبقى symptoms يعني الأعراض اللي عنده scurvy ده هيبان عليه ازاي؟ اوكي يبقى bleeding gums, sores without heal that wouldn't heal. What is the cause of scurvy? Scurvy, lack of vitamin C. Scurvy, lack of vitamin C. The next one. Suggest why Al-Carno didn't develop the deficiency disease. هو كان بيعمل ايه؟ اشمعنى ده بالذات اللي ما كانش بيجيله deficiency disease؟ بصوا كده أولادي على السطر اللي قبل الأخير. Al-Carno used to eat a spoonful of fruit jam every day, which means take enough vitamins every day. يبقى the answer, he ate a spoonful of fruit jam every day, between brackets write vitamin C. April 2012. Open on question 3. The diagram shows a mother fox and her cubs. Look at the drawing carefully. There are 7 characteristics that all living organisms show. One of these is movement. The mother fox is moving toward the cubs. Explain how the diagram shows 2 other characteristics. أولادي لو سمحتوا ما يجيش بقى حد يكتب لي movement لأن هو قال لي فوق movement. عشان كده بقول لكم read the question carefully. فالمفروض أكتب له 2 other characteristics. The first one, reproduction. Explain. We have the mother and her cubs. Increase in number, which means increase in number. يبقى characteristic 1, reproduction. Explain. The mother and her cubs, which means increase in number. Characteristic 2, nutrition. Explanation. The mother fox is holding food for her cubs. The mother fox is holding food for her cubs. A fox is a mammal. How does the diagram show this? أولادي خدوا بالكم. قال لي diagram show this. احنا اتكلمنا عن property بتميز الماملز عن أي حاجة تانية إنها give birth and suckle their young و covered with hair or fur. هنا قال لي how does the diagram show this؟ يعني عايزني أبص وأقول اللي شايفاه بعينيا. يبقى you have to say it's covered with hair or fur. Question 4a. Question 4a. Modern wheat plants were developed from wild wheat by selective breeding. Selective breeding يعني إيه؟ Select desired features. Examine. To select desired features, breed together. دي الsteps بتاعت selective breeding. عندي 2 kinds of plants. Modern wheat, wild wheat. Wild wheat has only a small number of small grains. شايفين كده أولادي ما عندوش grains، ما عندوش حبوب كتير، يعني crops ده ضعيف قوي. unhealthy. Okay, تعالوا للمودرن wheat plant have large number and large grains, healthy with large amount of crops. Read these statements about selective breeding. أنا عندي ده وعندي ده، عايزة أخلي الكروبس بتاعتي كلها زي المودرن wheat، فبعمل إيه أولادي؟ بعمل selective breeding. عايزني أعمل rearrange للsteps اللي قدامي. Let's start to read them at first. The two selected wheat plants were bred with each other. The selection and breeding process was continued for many generations. The offspring with the largest and most grain were selected. These plants were bred with each other again and repeat again. على فكرة أولادي دي آخر واحدة. Repeat again the last one. يبقى C is the last one. Okay? The two wild wheat plants with the largest and most grains were originally selected. أولادي دي أول واحدة، ده أنا هعمل السلكشن بتاعي. هسلكت إيه؟ The two wild wheat plants with the largest and most grains were originally selected. دي أول واحدة دي. طب بعد ما أعمل لهم selection، بعد السلكت بعمل إيه؟ breed. يبقى number A قال لي the two selected wheat plants were bred with each other. يبقى أول حاجة عملت إيه؟ selection. اخترت الحاجة اللي أنا عايزاها، اخترت البروبرتي اللي هتخليني أزود الكروبس بتاعتي. فاخترت مين؟ اخترت two wild wheat اللي هي دي. طب بعد ما اخترتهم هعمل فيهم إيه؟ breed اللي هي A. The two selected wheat plants were bred with each other. طب the next one, the selection and breeding process was continued for many generations. The last one, C. The offspring with the largest and most grains were selected. These plants were bred with each other again, repeat till all crops are modern wheat with most amount or largest amount of crops. B. Giraffes have evolved by a process of natural selection. ده بيقول لي أصلا الجيرافز جات من ال natural selection. They have evolved from leaf-eating animals that didn't have long necks. يعني أصلا الجيراف كان التصنيف بتاعها إيه أو classification بتاعها إيه أولادي؟ إنها didn't have long necks. Read these sentences about natural selection. A. These animals had an advantage because they get more food. أكتر ناس بتعيش عندهم more food. Animals with a longer neck were able to reach leaves higher up in trees. طبعا التري عليها leaves. اللي عندها long neck بس هي اللي هتقدر توصل للليفز دي، وبالتالي هي دي اللي هتقدر تعيش عشان عندها enough food. After many generations, most animals had longer necks. Their offspring inherited genes for longer necks. خدوا بالكم بقى أولادي من الاتنين دول. These animals were more likely to survive and breed with each other. Write the letters of these sentences in order so that they describe the process of natural selection. One has been done for you. ابتدى بإي. في النص عندي إي اللي هي إيه. These animals were more likely to survive and breed with each other. طب بعد ما يعيشوا يعملوا breeding. What will happen بعد البريدنج؟ بيجي offspring اللي هي مين أولادي؟ بصوا كده هتلاقوا دي. Their offspring inherited the genes for longer neck. طب ومع الوقت هيحصل ايه لما كل offspring يطلع عنده longer neck؟ بصوا على سي أولادي. After many generations, most animals had longer necks. يبقى احنا قلنا E D C، فاضل لنا A و B. بصوا عليهم يا ولادي، هتلاقوا أول واحدة هتبقى animals with longer necks were able to reach leaves higher up in trees. The next one, these animals had an advantage because they got more food. يبقى الأوردر بتاعي إيه؟ B A D C. In which part of cell genetic material found in nucleus? Question 11. The table shows how the population of people in the world has changed since year 1300. Have a look at the table. 1300, 1500, 700 يعني ماشي كل 200 years. 300, 500, 700, 900, 2000. Okay? The next, population in millions. لما كان عندنا في year 1300 كان number of individuals inside it 600. In it 600. Then في year 1500 كان number of individuals in millions 700. يعني إيه؟ في سنة 1500 كان عدد ال individuals 700 millions. And so on. لو بصينا على الييرز الأوردر بتاعها ماشي ازاي؟ each 200 كان 1300 1500 1700 1900 2000. طب البوبيوليشن ماشي ازاي الأوردر بتاعه أولادي؟ عندي 600 700 800 يعني بيمشي بال100 100. بس تعالوا بقى في آخر اتنين 1700 5500 increase greatly. Okay, تعالوا نشوف ال question. The population figure are estimates. هو ليه estimated؟ هو ليه مش accurate result؟ ليه هما بيقولوا estimated بالتقريب not accurate؟ Because write the answer. It's difficult to count the large number of individuals. Because it's difficult to count the large number of individuals in population. B. Describe how the population has changed since the year 1300. يعني البوبيوليشن عايزك تبص على التيبل وتقول ايه اللي changes اللي حصلت في النمبر of individuals بداية من 1300. لو بصينا أولادي زي ما قلنا كان 600 بقى 700 بقى 800 يعني ايه increased gradually by 100 suddenly increased greatly لأنه طلع من 800 ل 1700 ومن 1700 ل 5500. يبقى الانسر بتاعتي ايه؟ increased gradually then greatly. C. Write one factor that affect the size of population. ايه affect the population؟ ايه اللي affect on the number of individuals؟ Diseases, starvation, drought. D. Scientists want to protect the population of the world in 100 years. Time. Write one reason why it will be difficult to make an accurate prediction. ليه صعب ان انا اعمل accurate result؟ زي ما قلنا قبل كده اولادي هو مفيش constant increase. الاول كان عندي constant increase by 100 بس بعد كده ما بقاش فيه constant increase. يبقى هقوله because no constant increase in the population. No constant increase in the population every 200. Open in 2013 April. أولادي question 1 we did it. اوكي ده food chain. احنا خلصنا الفود chain خلاص بتاع paper 1 كلها. اوكي question 4. Open on question 4. Use the key to identify the coral reef fish. Number 1. Shape is very long and very thin. ببص على الفيش بتاعتي. الكلام ده صح إن الفيش دي very long و very thin. Look at the drawing. No. يبقى هسيبها ماليش دعوة بيها خالص. أخد اللي بعدها. Shape isn't long and thin. هي دي لا هي long ولا هي thin. يبقى go to 3. قال لي روحي لنمبر 3. go to 3. قال لي ايه في 3 يا ولادي؟ قال لي eyes on top of the head. هي الايز على التوب؟ لا اللي بعدها eyes on each side of the head. الاي في الجناب on each side of the head. يبقى go to 5. هروح عند 5. قال لي ايه؟ has stripes. مخططة. قال لي مخططة has stripes. يبقى go to 6. مكتوب قدامها go to 6. طب number 6 has dark tips to fins and tail. yes عندها dark tips اهي ends dark ends on fins and tail. that's right. so it's called clownfish. so you have to write here clownfish. أولادي this is called a key. it's very very easy to answer it. okay. Question 7. We did it before that. Open on question 10. Open on question 10. Poor diets can cause health problems. Draw line between the diet and health problem. One has been done for you. Diet, too much sugar. Cause tooth decay. Too much sugar, tooth decay. هو قال لي too much fat, heart diseases. Too much salt, high pressure, high blood pressure. Too much salt, high blood pressure. Too little protein, poor growth. Too little protein, poor growth. Too little carbohydrates, little energy. And write study on it. Study this question, please. Generally, look at the information about the amount of fats and fiber in different fruits. Apricot, look at the percentage of fat, 0.1, fiber 1.2. Banana, 0.1, fiber 3.1. Kiwi, 0, 2.6. Orange, 0.1, 2.4. Pineapple, 0.1, 13.8. Strawberry, 0, 0.6. Name the 2 fruits with the highest amount of fiber. Look at the table and answer. حاجة مش محتاجة مذاكرة. Okay? Look at the table. مين عنده highest amount of fiber? Yes, that's right. We have pineapple and banana. Why fiber is important in diet? Because it prevents constipation, help in digestion, and working muscles in alimentary canal. يبقى ليه الدايت بتاعي every day لازم يكون فيه fiber مع انه can't be digested اصلا. ليه اولادي؟ to prevent constipation, help in digestion, and help in working muscles in alimentary canal. Triple I. Write one conclusion about the amount of fat found in fruits. عموما بصوا كده يا أولادي على الفات in fruit. البرسنتج بتاعتها لما زادت بقت 0.1 يا إما 0. معنى كده إن الكونكلوجن بتاعي إيه؟ very low amount of fats in fruits. Very low amount of fats in fruits. Chan thinks the information in the table isn't a fair comparison because fruits are different in shape. Lee thinks it's not fair comparison, but he knows that the shape of the fruit isn't important. What measure do you need to make fair comparison? أولادي الفروتس دي كلها مختلفة في الشيب. Okay, so it's not fair. فقال لها لأ، هو الشيب ملهوش علاقة. طب ايه اللي ليه علاقة عشان يخليني اعمل fair test؟ المفروض يكون عندي ايه to make fair test عشان يكون عندي fair test للفات و fair test للفايبر. لازم الفروتس دي تكون equal في ايه؟ fair في ايه؟ You can say same mass or same weight of fruit. same weight مش مهم الشيب، بس المهم weight of fruit equal. يبقى write the answer. Use the same weight of the fruit. Exam 14 2014. أولادي we did it.